Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel where we do live streaming and welcome to my live streaming. And I forgot to start my iPad so where we can have our writings. It is just for to show you like what I'm trying to figuring out sometime to show you ChatGPT or the whatever research I'm doing. I can't say research but findings I'm doing, and let me know if you are able to hear me, because yesterday when I saw and someone was saying that the voice is not coming correctly, so I did some of the changes and I don't know if I am able to hear it or make the sounds clear. But anyway, I'll see voice and all those things after finishing this live streaming. I know after even after like mm, it happens that when you are starting and sometimes it happens your voice is not going or things are not working. So just because of that, it doesn't mean I should like let me connect again. Connected, and let me find out iPad. I'll say okay and boom. So we are going to do practice here. So that is what I am trying to do. And when chart rate, and let's see how it goes. So yesterday we find out the way how we can explain. I'll ask ChatGPT to give me so that we can just simply copy and paste it. Uh, can you please give me the points, the structure that we discussed yesterday? Using that structure we can explain the topics. Give it in copy box. So I prefer to have it in copy box so that I can copy it and paste it over here, and I go here and then I'll be able to find my chart. So here is chart that we have, and it is working on it. That's the thing. So let's see how it works. Why problem, why does this topic matter, what confusions, or there should be a button that says refresh it, but I don't see any button here. Let's see how it goes. So yesterday I was no, when I was not live at the time, I was trying to find out how we can learn something in the sense, let's say if I need to explain a topic and I want to learn that topic, so how I can learn it so that I can explain it. Like I don't have to separately learn explanation skill for whatever I have learned. So we can build something while learning so that when it comes to explaining something at the time it oh, I don't understand why it is not. Now it came, so I'll just copy it and paste it over here. That's it. So now we have this topic, so I can just take a pen and so here we have why problem, why does this topic matters. So yesterday we learned these, how we can explain something. This is the structure. We should know why or problem, like why does this topic matter, what confusion or problem does it solve, what it is in simple words, what is this explained in a plain language, and how it works high level. No, what is the basic cause effect, what changes what. No deep details, no simple examples, no one real life or relatable example, only one. Don't add more. No, what it is not. Boundary, one common misunderstanding to avoid, clarifies the meaning. And one line takeaway. So what should the listener remember? One clear including line. So let's see how we can implement taking one concept or one explanation so that we can find out. So let's, so I'm gonna ask him. Okay, so you have given me this structure. Now using that structure we are going to have uh, explanation. So let's try to find out first one topic, and for that one topic we are going to learn or are going to gather the information related to it. And after gathering information, I mean, what does it mean when I am saying gathering information? It does mean that we have to learn that particular concept, understand that particular concept of skill or object, whatever it is. We have to understand it first, we have to get it, we have to feel it, we have to like consume it, I can say. And after that we will try to explain it, that we have to do. So first of all, give me one topic, and for that topic we are going to do some kind of research on Google, on ChatGPT, Perplexity, wherever we found. Even if it's a book, like, we'll try to find out most of the things, and based on that whatever I get, I'm gonna explain that. Let's see how it works. So I have given the prompt to ChatGPT to find out a topic for which we are going to learn, take information, and based on those information, we will try to explain that here. I mean, I'm going to explain whatever I have learned, that I'm going to do here now. I'm just thinking that why people are not joining, because everyday people were joining. And let me see, streaming, public, education. Yeah, that's all. So I'll give you one clear topic, not too big, not too small. What gathering information actually means, so you don't overdo it. Where to look? Google, Perplexity, book style. What to extract while learning? Very important. What you will do after learning? After learning, next step, not now. No, today's goal is only learn. There is one problem. I guess I speak very fast. I'm not saying very fluent, but fast. The pace of speaking is very fast. So let me know if it is hard for you to understand, so that I can do something about it. I can see myself, I can try to speak slow so that I can make it better. Just wanted to know if you are hearing it, and I'll make it better. And very welcome to my YouTube channel, where I do live streamings and some other stuffs. For it's kind of learning all the things. Very vanilla. I say vanilla, but you can correct me if you have something very good word, which makes more sense. What you will do after learning? Next step, not now. Now today's goal is only, see, I'm again getting very fast, so sorry for that. Why this topic is perfect? Today's goal is only learning, understanding, not perfect explanation. It. Step 1. The topic. We will use this learning by doing. Why this topic is perfect? It's a concept. You already have some intuition about it. There is enough material online, not technical, not vague, very explainable using the structure. This is an ideal practice topic. Step 2. What gathering information really means. This is important because you might overthink this. Gathering information does not mean memorizing everything. It means reading, watching to understand. Letting ideas make sense in your mind. Connecting it with your own experience. You are not preparing for an exam, you are preparing to explain simply. That's right. Where to research? Keep it limited. Use only one, two, three sources, not more. Option A, Google. Search what is learning by doing. Learning by doing examples. Open one to two simple articles, not academic papers. Option B, Perplexity. Explain learning by doing in simple terms with examples. I have some problem, so just adjust. But people are not gonna adjust. I have to adjust. I'll do something about it. Read the summary. 1 to 2 cited sources. Stop there. Option C. Book style. Thinking optional. If you have read or heard ideas from education, skill building, work experience, that outcomes that counts as a source too. Step 4, very important. What to extract while learning? What to extract while learning? While reading or watching, do not take random notes. Only try to answer these 6 questions. Same as explanation structure. Write rough answers. Why does learning by doing exist? What is learning by doing? How does learning by doing work? Where do we see it in real life? On simple example, one simple example that makes it obvious what is learning by doing not. You can answer these in your own words. You have learned enough. Stop researching immediately after this. Step 5, how you will know you have got it. You will feel, okay, this makes sense. You can relate it to your life. You are not confused anymore. You do not need perfect sentence, big vocabulary, complete knowledge, understanding, completeness. 6, what we will do next? After you have done this learning step, you will come back, you will try to explain learning by doing using the 6 point structure, help you refine it without changing your voice. But today your only job is learn, understand, feel the concept. Now a final grounding sentence. Now I learn only until I can explain simply. I stop learning when clarity appears. Your action now: peak learning by doing. Use Google Perplexity. Answer 6 questions in rough from stop. When you are done, come back and say I am ready to explain. Then we will move now to the next step together. So it was saying related to learning by doing, that concept, but let me ask, and it will give me some other concept. Can you please give me some other topic where I can research on it, I can find it, I can understand it, and based on that, whatever my understanding is, I'm gonna try to explain it based on our structure, and let's see how it goes. Yes, this is very good moment to do this. I'll give you multiple topics but in a very controlled way so you don't get overwhelmed. You should pick one topic at a time, not all. Each topic below is explainable, has enough material online, does not. Okay, category 1, concepts. It is explaining me all the things, but I don't want to read all of those things. I just want to find out one clear topic. By getting that one topic, we will try to find out it's like we'll try to learn that first of all. Can you please just give me one topic, just one word topic that I can start working on it, to learn it, to understand it, and to find out related to it, and we'll try to explain that. Here is one topic, just one word that is perfect for your practice. Attention, that's it. Why this topic works? Its concept. Attention, okay. Let's work on attention. What does it mean by attention? Let me write it down. We are going to have the topic. Let me write it down in some other color I like. Let me find out something very interesting. I don't have to, I guess I have to turn, no, the, let's write it down in this color. Attention. So we are going to work on attention. So let's try to find out first of all what does it mean by attention, how we can learn. So we will go in a reverse engineering way. So in order to explain, we need to know why problem, like why problem, why does this topic matter, or what confusion or problem does it solve, what does it mean by attention. This is a concept. Now I literally get very confused about attention, how I can explain it, or how can make the things related to this, that I want to know, like attention. So first of all, we have to understand what it is. Now if someone asks me, what does it mean by attention, at the time I won't be able to say anything. Attention, what does it mean by attention? Like I got blank because I don't know about anything about it. I need to find out what does it mean by attention. That is the main thing that I want to do. And why problem, like we have structure here. Why or problem. Now why does this topic matter, what confusion or problem does it solve. Like first of all, if I'm going to talk about attention, then I have to have this why. Now I got confused, like attention, what question can I ask related to attention, what does problem is solve, or why does this topic matter. Like it matters because I don't know, that's the thing what we are doing here. Like I'm feeling I got very blank completely, even though I might have known about it, like what does it mean by attention or something, but even though I'm not able to explain it clearly, or I'm just got blanked, or I don't know what is happening with me. But let's try to find it out. Attention, what does it mean by attention? What does it mean by attention? I want to know about attention only. Can you please scrape the data from Google and all those things and let me know? क्या कर रहे हो भाई?